Opa, direito.
Nah. I need to ask question. Nah, Ghanaians, you people need to tell us the truth. Wetin you people put am inside water for these people? To the extent that the food wey some people dey insult say na water, na this, na that, these people dey love am. See how this one man busy the ground pepper. The look, eh, my God. See how this white man, I don't know whether na Chinese or na really white, I don't understand. See how busy this man busy, the ground pepper. But 10 people who share this video to me. You know, say a lot of people have been sharing this video to me. You see, one thing, people, no. Thank the one person who shared this video to me. Okay, watch the video, share, and see how these white people busy grinding pepper. And the worst thing again, you do it with a bow. Just watch the video. Hey, the man be serious. So this man be serious. I don't like the man. They serious. He just goes to street. They grind the thing. They grind the pepper. And no. Kai, Ghana. These people are even more serious. I hope you understand. More we share the video, more we give them ginger and power. See the way how the man is serious like this. Let's watch the rest.
We'll fuck at color.
Someone boy, you come up here. What do I said? Papa guy.
Nana Bako. Bra. Nana Bako. Bra. Medindi Yaonamingo Yao. Thursday Bon. Mi Free Japan. Music. Go. If you see the hero, if you see me to be, Medindi Yaonamingo Yao. Thursday Bon. Yao. Thursday. Mi Free Japan. Japan. Music. Go.
Some for Kwame Buffett, sure. I know power, Madre, I yes, pound. And men pets and me cassatis, me papa. But I dear Bako men pay ya quadru. For one thing, I don't like is lazy people. Steady someone who is doing well in this life. By 5:30 they have woken up, 6:30 they have gone to leave their metals, and by 7:30 they are going to work. Now watch a lazy useless fool. By 2 p.m. they are waking up. 2:30 they are shouting at the house help to go and make them breakfast. Then they are giving commanding orders to the houseboy to go and buy him credits. After they have finished doing the breakfast, then or they are using the credit to go and watch porno. Why? God said in this life, if you are steady, He'll give your wife. You can go and chop her free. Want to you alone cry? You rather go and chop artificial intelligence. One power damn. One power damn. You think Bezos was just sitting there watching porno? Then no money there inside in pockets. No. So instead for you to go and do something better with your life, you want to go and sit there, press phone, press game. Why? If you know a lazy, useless fool like this person, tag that person in the comments. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah, I'm a buzzer for some for Kwame Buffett. Today I was talking with this American girl. We had developed some small relationship from class. She asked me today, Kwame, why are you never romantic? Every time you speak, it's so aggressive. Bubu, do you know where I'm coming from? Ghana, we have nothing like race over there. Watch some of the Ghanaian boys. Watch some of them. Some of them, they wake up. The first thing that they say to a woman, hey, mommy, brother, Yankasa. How old are you? 12 years. Okay, don't go and tell anybody. Let's go to the house. Abua, ha, Kofi, Sana Woka. Bubu, Dory, next time when I see you, I'll try and be romantic for you. Ha, Bubu, when I look into your eyes, the USA residence permit look nice. Your arbitrary features are the film. Your money are the one spend them. A boa.
You see, one thing I like Ghanaian people is that them too, the Ghanaians too, they go through a lot too, but they don't put their frustration towards foreigner. That's one thing I like them. They don't put their frustration towards foreigner. Even they know they are going through a lot, but when foreigner come around, they will show them love. They will make sure that the foreigner are happy, and they won't use you won't see them putting the image of the country in the bad light. Ghanaians will not do that. They will still make fun. They will still share with the foreigner. They will put happiness in the face of foreigners, and that is the reason why I like them a lot. They will still stand then to protect the image of their country. They will say their country image in the good way, and That is it. That's what make me really like them, and that's why when we the foreigners too, we see the way they are. We also try to also adopting the way of their life, because you see the way they are projecting their country, and the white people also, you see how also they are also practice their culture, doing like them, and that is fantastic. Hope you understand. You see how they are sharing the video too, promoting the video, trying to promote their cultures. And when the white people also see their love and they also want to adopt in their culture, you see now, you see that is the reason me too. I dey like their way, and I love them too. And me too. You see that some people say, you see, like me now, I can't, if I don't eat Ghana food, me I cannot control myself. Honestly, let's just be honest and be frank. God bless everybody. Enjoy your day. If you want to reach out to me, go to my dashboard. Hope you understand. If you want to reach out to me, go to my dashboard. You will see my number there. To my dashboard. There you will see my number. God bless you and bye bye for now.